Welcome back to the Rolling Robot series. If you just joined our series, we are creating this rolling robot chassis. In this episode, we are going to finish designing our top frame. I just use a mirror and create a copy. To simplify the BOM, I will combine our frames into a single subassembly. Click the link below to download the necessary files to follow along with the tutorials. I want to use a mirror to finish my frame design. To do this, I need to create a mirror plane. Select reference geometry, and then select the two interfaces of the corner gussets to define a midplane. Click OK. I rename the plane Top Mirror. Select Top Mirror and click Mirror Component under the Linear Component Pattern dropdown. The mirror plane is already populated, so we just need to select the Weldment frame as our component to mirror. Click Next. Everything looks good. Click OK. After creating the design, I decided I wanted to combine the lower and upper weldment frames into a subassembly. To do this, I need to add a midplane to the weldment frame and redefine my mirror references. Right-click on the weldment frame and click Edit Part. Now, I will insert a reference plane. I select the top mirror plane and select Coincident. Click OK. Close the part. I need to edit the mirror component feature. Right-click and edit feature. We want to replace the top mirror plane with the new plane we just created in our Weldment frame part. Select the new plane from the Feature Manager. Click Next. Everything looks good. Click OK. Select the weldment frame and the mirror component. Right-click and select Form New Subassembly. Rename the subassembly to Frame Weldment and save to external file. I place it in the same folder as the assembly. You can see how quickly features like mirror can generate another complete part. Solidworks makes it easy to both create and dissolve assemblies, giving you flexibility to change your design structure on the fly. Join me next time as I show you the basics for making a drawing template. Thanks for tuning into the series, Rolling Robots. I'll see you in the next episode.